Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share location on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. Open up your WhatsApp and then select the contact where you want to share your location. Now you have to hit on this attach button which is in this text bar. Hit on this button and here you will see location. Hit on location. Once you will hit on this location option, you will see this type of pop-up over the screen and you have to hit on continue. If you are using first time, so you have to hit on while using the app. Here you can add two types of location, your current location and live location. For now I'm going to hit on current location. And that's it guys. How to share location on WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.